Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 25 Ashbrook Road. This is a 3-bedroom end terrace property with off-road parking here at the front. Okay, and then moving into the property, we have the lobby area which opens into the main living room, and there's also a built-in understairs storage pantry. So a nice sized bay window to the front aspect, and then we can go through to the dining kitchen, really nicely fitted, and includes a ground floor toilet and utility cupboard which houses plumbing for a washing machine. And within the kitchen there is a cooker, dishwasher and hob. And then we have double doors leading out into the garden. Okay, and then moving upstairs onto the first floor landing, and we have loft access with a pull down ladder. We've got 3 bedrooms and a bathroom on this floor. So front bedroom, and then across to the bathroom, nicely fitted with a modern suite. And we have the 3rd bedroom, and then across into the rear bedroom. Okay, and then just moving outside, and we have this flagged patio space, which then leads on to a lawned area. Goes down to a hard standing area. There is actually gated access to the rear there as well, and obviously access to the side of the property from front to back. And that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then just call the office as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.